It's been a while since I've done videos on this camcorder. Anyway. I don't know if you can see it, but it is snowing. So yeah, we got the day off from school. Let's see, what's the time? 1:19. It is snowing like crazy out here. As crazy as a wildfire. Except there is no fire. The sun is out. Apparently. It just came out. And it is like really bright out here. So, there's the snow falling all around us. Sorry if you guys can't see it. I'm shooting on a... Okay, I let an hour pass to charge my camcorder battery. Time is now 2:14. And look, it is snowing out here like really bad. Really bad, guys. We might get another day off from school. I don't know. Let's get some close-ups. I don't know if you can see it, but it is snowing. You can hear the kids playing. If we look over here, you can see the snow. Now we're going to go ahead and pan over here. You can really see it coming down. So we're going to try to drive through the snow. We're going to try going out places. And we will see you in a bit. Here we are driving along the road. Time is now 2:20 p.m. And right here, as you can see, it's like a really strong snow. This road is all icy. I don't know, let's monitor the sound. I'm wearing my headphones, so we may as well do so, right? Okay.
They have treated this road because it's just wet.
Yeah.
Where the road in front of our house was still snow covered.
Yeah. You can really see it coming down over here. And here's a couple of cars passing by. It's just covered. The whole dang place is just covered with a whole blanket of snow.
Maybe we'll have a delay tomorrow.
Guess so.
Yeah,
Because
if we'd have the day off.
yeah. I told the viewers while I was making a video earlier that I was kind of predicted another day coming.
I was surprised. I
Mm-hmm.
knew it was gonna It's not a little, but I didn't think it was going to be enough that we'd have the day off.
Just turn the heater on.
Fucking, the windshield's fogging up.
What?
So the windshield's fogging up.
Yeah.
So that's...
I can tell.
Get that off the windshield.
Zoom up on the slide over here, because I like zooming up on stuff. It's a quick zoom with this camcorder. Like, I don't even care if it's crappy or not. I would rather have a video camera that you can manually zoom on. It only takes a split second to zoom up. Yeah. They should make camcorder. They should make like more cameras, you know, like these for this generation. I like these kind of cameras, you know, that you can only take a split second to zoom up on. March 6th. That will be my 2-year anniversary shooting videos on this camcorder. And I haven't done so in like at all because I've been busy on my high school stuff. Then again, it is pretty important. Middle school, it's important, but not all that important. What?
There's a Premier Chevrolet review of their shuttle car.
It's like a freaking giant blizzard. Except I don't know whether to refer to this as a blizzard or not.
It's not enough snow for a blizzard.
It isn't?
No, a blizzard like it would be
Then,
snowing so hard that you can really see the drop.
no. Because I was going to... There's a tree over there. Getting all covered up. Suncrest United Methodist Church. Why has it been a year since we've been there?
I wanted to go Sunday.
Yeah.
We can't get up at 7's for tomorrow. There's a lot of drainage.
There's the Boston Beanery, Rite Aid, Tanning World, Pizza Hut, Radio Shack, Volcano, Famous Hair, UPS store. What?
We'll have to go to that Boston meeting.
Yeah, I know. Here it is, Taco Bell.
I'm gonna go over, I think, to Chick-fil-A and get the chicken noodles.
Okay. Okay, we are back outside. It is like sometime after 4, and as you can see, it has kind of stopped snowing. There are still some flakes flying all around the place. It's called accumulation. Okay, and today we're going to be overlooking the whole site here. We can see a couple birds flying across the sky. Yeah, it's still kind of snowing. You can see there. Okay, so we have the snow all around the place. Here's some footprints where Amber and Duke were out here earlier. Early in the morning, whenever I let him out to make a little bathroom break, he made a snow angel like across here, like he always does every time there's snow. It's kind of covered up. There's like some dog crap. We just need to clean it up. What sucks is that I can't see it, and these slippers that I borrowed, whoever I borrowed them from, they're going to get real pissed if I step in dog poop. Okay, so we have the cover over here. It's all covered in snow. And we have, you can see over there, there's, you can see, kind of see a sunset. You can see the trees have been covered up in the full blanket. I hope it snows more, to be honest. I think it might stop here. I don't know. Yeah, like a couple inches. Temperature is now, I think, somewhere between 30 and 40 degrees. See right there, we've gotten a bit covered. And here we have an icicle. Now if we go over here, you may notice, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we have another icicle. And another one. I think that might be about all. Okay, now we're gonna walk up along here. I just hope I don't step in any dog crap. Oh my god. I don't even want to be videographing that crap. Here we are on top of the, kind of where we can overlook more. Right where I was standing earlier is barely an overlook. We've gotten like a couple inches of snow on this part of the roof. And that roof over there has gotten a couple inches as well. And that roof over there we can see more of the sunset over here. And if we come over here, sorry, that's blurry. Here are the trees. Okay, and we're gonna go over here now. We have a new air conditioner. The old one, well, obviously it was old, so we got rid of it. Okay, let's see how much snow has gotten inside of here. Okay. Oh yeah, good bit of it. Some has gotten inside. As you can see here, it's like a bit taller than how my hand is, kind of. that is about all. Oh look, the sun's coming up again. Bit of a sunset. It's a beautiful sight to see. And we will see you later.